Once again, I welcome you all in the session 5 of inverse trigonometric function. In this session, we are going to discuss some problems related to the range of inverse trigonometric functions and some problems based on these relations. So our first problem is, what is the principal value of sine inverse minus of half? Since we know that sine inverse of minus x is equals to minus of sine inverse x, then we can write sine inverse minus half is equals to minus of sine inverse half. Negative sign as it is, and the value of sine inverse half is equals to pi by 6. Move to the second example. What is the principal value of tan inverse of minus root 3? Using this relation, tan inverse of minus x is equals to minus of tan inverse x, we can write tan inverse minus root 3 in form of minus of tan inverse root 3. And using the trigonometric table we have already studied in class 9th or 10th, we can write the value of tan inverse root 3 is equal to pi by 3 and negative sign as it is. In third question, we have to evaluate the value of cos inverse of minus half. Again, using this relation, cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. This term will become pi minus cos inverse of half. Pi as it is, negative sign as it is, and the value of cos inverse half is pi by 3. On solving this term, we get 2 pi by 3. Now some questions based on the range of the inverse trigonometric functions. This is the question of sine inverse function, and we know that the range of sine inverse function is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 in closed interval. And we also know that sine inverse of sine theta is equals to theta if theta is the element of the range of the sine inverse function. Now in this question we have to find out the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Using this relation, we can't find out the value of this term because 2 pi by 3 is not the element of the range of sine inverse function. So what should we do? We break this angle in such a way that the broken value lies in between the range of sine inverse function. So we have to break this angle, and this angle can be written in form of pi minus of pi by 3, and we know that sine 180 minus theta is equals to sine theta, sine inverse as it is, and the value of sine 180 minus theta is equals to sine theta. Now we can use this relation because pi by 3 lies in the range of sine inverse function. That's why sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. Move to the next question. What is the value of tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4? Again, we can't write tan inverse of tan theta equals to theta because theta is not the element of the range of tan inverse function. Then again we have to break this angle. This angle can be written in form of pi minus of pi by 4. Then the value of tan 180 minus theta is equals to minus of tan theta. The value of tan 180 minus theta is equals to minus of tan theta. Here we can't write tan inverse of tan theta equals to theta because of this negative sign. Now we have to eliminate this sign, and to eliminate this sign we are going to use this relation, tan inverse of minus x is equals to minus of tan inverse x. Here tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Now the value of tan inverse of tan theta is equals to theta, as this angle is the element of the range of the tan inverse function. Thank you and have a nice day.